Let's be creative, let's be innovative. Hey guys, welcome to Kids Animation. Today we're making an art project. It's DIY Wind Chimes. So that's so simple to make. So let's get started. So first you need colorful, thick papers and you need a pencil. Draw half of the heart on it like this and then cut it. And let's do this. Don't do yourself. Call an adult to help you because never play with sharp things. Then cut it. Now we're done. When you open the heart, it will be both sides. So you need lots of hearts like this. And now we're going to make lots of hearts. Yay! I'm so excited to see how it looks. And I'm already so happy to make it. It's going to be so beautiful and I can hang it anywhere I want. So then you will need a thread. You need to cut some thread like this and you're going to cut with my sharp scissors. And this much is okay for me. Now we are going to take a heart. You will need a heart and a glue. Put the string on the heart and put glue on the string. Now we're done. When you're done, you take another heart and put on the string with the glue. Press it hard so it sticks. And we're done. Let's move on to the next one. So here is the next one. Here's the next one. Here's the next one. So we'll repeat it again. You need thread, put it on the heart, and then you put glue on it, take another heart, and press hard so it can stay. Now we are almost done. Okay, you will need 3 hearts like this. So I'm again repeating. So we need thread, put it on the heart, put the glue again, take another heart, press hard so it can stick well. So hard. So there's our wind chime. So we will need lots of like these. You'll almost need 6. And here, one more. So you need 6. They're all done. Second step. So you need a white paper, fold it and make a cloud shape. It should be half like we did the hearts. Now we're gonna cut and keep on cutting until it's done. Cut. Almost there. Cutting is so hard. It takes kind of a little bit of minutes, and sometimes we cut wrong. And don't forget this important thing: cut on the lines, or else the line will show on that thing and the thing will look bad. Same with the hearts. When I made the line to make it same like that, I cut on the line so it cannot look bad. Look, it should be closed, and when you open it looks like a cloud. So we'll need 3 like these. So now we'll need a thread. Put the glue on the cloud, and now we're going to take our thread and put the thread on the glue like that, and press it well so it can stick well. Turn around it, and we need to repeat the thing to make a loop. Put glue on it, put the thread on it, then it will turn into the loop. So do like that. Press it hard so it can stick well and not break, or else a beautiful wind chime will be bad. Then you need to put glue on the string and take another cloud and stick on the glue and stick it well. Open it like this and press it from the inside. Press it well so it can stick well. Turn it over and do it again. Repeat it. Put the glue on it and take the cloud, stick it on it, and then stick it well and open it and press it well so it can stick so well. Now it's done. Let me show you. There's a loop, and it will hang like this. So beautiful. Now we will need a sharp pencil or a sharp pen so we can make some holes. Each side will need 1 hole like that, so the thread can insert in. Make all the sides with a tiny hole. You can make big. If your thread is thick, you can make a big hole. And now we're done all the sides. Now we're gonna insert the thread in. Then we'll need the glue stick. Then we're gonna stick the other side of it. Put the glue on the thread and stick it. Take the thread, the next thread, and take the next thread and twist it. Now we're done. Make lots of on it. Our wind chime is done. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Look at it, so lovely. If you like my video, subscribe. And don't forget to tell me in the comments what more videos should I make. Give a thumbs up.